Hello, ISEC in India. I'm Vandana Krishnan, and I'm the local committee president for ISEC in Pune. Today, we're here to apply for the Excellence Awards in People Management. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about what the People Management Department, that is Ignite, has been up to in the year of 2021 2022. Now, people management in ISEC in Pune has always been extremely strong. And so there was a little pressure starting the beginning of the year with respect to how we would do, how we would perform, and so on. But the people management department has done an incredible job. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about what exactly we've been up to this year. So there were a couple of focus areas that we primarily wanted to capitalize on. One was ensuring that our membership has a good experience, considering the possibility that we would have a virtual reality. Now, this is important because last year COVID was a novelty, and a lot of people were really excited that this virtual context is something new. But this year, we ended up with the whole world being mentally exhausted, fatigued, and tired. And so the real challenge was, how is it that members get to see value in ISEC? How is it that we are actually able to help them grow and have a meaningful, empowering, and impactful experience through the organization? The second thing was with respect to contributing towards operations, contributing towards productivity, contributing towards elevating membership, skill building, and so on. And lastly, there was also an important focus on data management and understanding how it is that we can improve our information management systems in order to safeguard all of our data, especially in an organization that thrives on rotational leadership. One of the primary things that the PM department did this year was set some incredible processes. Up until now, we had been having really good processes, but this year we really saw them upscale, be it in terms of LB management systems such as the LB audit system, such as LB checklist process, checklist tasks given to them, differentiating between TL and MB, having level 2 interviews for LB recruitment, the nature of the attraction campaigns we had, or even strategic recruitment for our GB members in terms of providing them with consultancy spaces before they came in terms of actually taking their preference into consideration before recruiting them into a specific department. There were a lot of things done with respect to establishing good processes. Apart from that, there were huge evolutions in the feedback mechanisms for the year. One of the flagship projects for the year being People 360, which was the feedback process mechanism to understand how the experience of our membership was going. And this was long before we even knew that MXP as a concept was going to come in or existed. We also had our associate membership phase for our members, wherein they got an opportunity and a chance to explore and understand what ISEC really means before actually getting into the organization. And that really helped them set the base for what exactly was about to come. Apart from that, with respect to education and resources, the People Management Department has done a great job, be it the Personal Development Goals campaign run by the LB, or be it Pune Pathshala, or be it AIpedia. There were multiple resources that were downscaled in order to truly understand ISEC as an organization, as well as the different products and functions. Apart from that, PM has done an incredible job this year with data management. Every single thing across departments, across the LC, has been documented to the T. And so the only thing that we had to really pass on in transitions was one EB drive. So PM has really ensured that we created a one-stop shop for everything and anything related to data this year. Apart from that, with respect to stakeholder management as well, there have been great spaces we have had with our alumni. We have really engaged them very well. And we have also engaged our parents well. For the first time, we started reporting to our alumni and providing them with an alumni newsletter and an alumni engagement survey. And we also did the same thing for our parents. We had a parental newsletter that went out wherein they could understand what exactly their children were doing, which really helped them because in a virtual term, parents are very used to their children always being in ISEC. Apart from that, PM department had a wonderful mental health and wellness campaign called Break the Stigma and an ICOM initiative called Stories of Strength. And this was essentially when people were going through a hard time during COVID. We've also had a beautiful initiative called Career Accelerator, which provides job and internship opportunities to ISECers beyond their ISEC term. So all in all, we've done a great job with managing the stakeholders as well. And PM has truly been the backbone of the LC. And we've not just survived the year, but thrived as the department and as the LC, which is why we would love to put forward our name for this award. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.